Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I will explore a topic, student data management system. This tutorial will guide you step by step to help understand and implement the system efficiently. Stay tuned and follow along carefully for the best. Today I will discuss about school code section. Let's go. This is add section. Codes add section. Session start. Session start in building function in PHP. Session start variable. Session super variable. Super global variable that is to store user information. For that information, prevent to user navigate different pages and same browser. For that database connection. Database connection. This file is connect to the database. Database. After that, database connection and which is connect to the MySQL connector which create this one. If empty session ID is empty, this session ID is empty, like unauthenticated, then it will redirect to the logout to the PHP, logout to PHP, and then exist and could stop the execution. It is a function stop from the running with session success message, error message. This is the two variable declared if is set submitted by clicked submit a button, then it will be executing C course name MySQL real escape string connection database codes short codes for and date. And this function, actually this function is used for the sanitize user input. This helps prevent the SQL inject attack creating the prepared for execution is set params the connection prepare for statements in insert into database table, which is database table name table codes, which this one is this one, database tbl codes short c short codes short c full codes full and date value triple what and value triple what value bound and bound with the base placeholder and statement bind params triple as like that means as three string data type value and with this on C short name and C full name. This variable already I have declared. If statement execute then as like a successful course added successful, then it will go it manage courses file execute then after that stop this execution else error message, and I have already declared that variable something went wrong. If user cannot send any data statement after that close this condition will close. This is HTML form header part codes body part. In this part I have already discussed about this welcome and which one is logged in admin dashboard welcome encoder login ID and name who is this one name, and already I have declared a no login table. This is encoder login ID encoder, this name login ID who is this one encoder, and they show that where is everything is capital as you like. You use to upper or lower case to lower short lower, then it will short lower lower string to short lower not change but while otherwise we can you see word you see words wc word upper lower changes word changes word in PHP. We can find everything is here. Changes word upward short lower and c word c word words in PHP. UC WC, no, sorry, UC words will be UC words here, UC words. After that, now changes not available, but why are not changes? Course, sorry, course, this one, course. This is, sorry, this page will add courses because I have add this one add courses, but it will still now this admin dashboard main pages, but it will go in this page. It will changes, or I have already said that welcome footer. So short upper, short lower, same here, same. Okay, uppercase. Welcome uppercase. After that, empty error, and if it does not exist or any code in this section, that will be danger. Otherwise it will show the success message. This form, deep form, stone form, this form, and this return function for each query ajax request. I have already declared it here, this name, this script part, and scores availability, loading loader icon show jQuery ajax data ajax request will go. The codes availability that base with this one, is that one. At course, after C short and post request will be must be post because it is server server changes codes ability status and this status or this status, then loading icon and height, and this right now something CSC. This one, this course it already exists with this one. This I mean I have already declared this one is a course short name already exists, this one because it is over here, this course CSC over here. But another one is available because it is not available in database. With this one is available. This is short. The same time C full, the same as count. If a pair, this select count table words from this table as C full, bind param as a string as C full, execute bind result count this count, and fetches the after that close count. If is equal to less than greater than 0, then it will show the exist, otherwise it will show the green available, green and available. So this available, this green, this right is green, this green, this red icon because this execution is greater than 0. At courses, I have already discussed about this. At course, something what happened, UC Pro, this is added successful. Correct. Now I have discussed, and now after that edit button is this one. This one is edit button. Session start I have already discussed about this section. After that, this button submitted, click by submitted, see codes short, codes full, and date is set is post, and integer value get CID, the course ID. It will be authenticate ID because I have changed the specific ID, so I have declared this authenticate ID, and it is unique ID. So this ID is 36. I already deleted more data, so it ID now 36. Query MySQL queries connection, and update this table name, my table codes c full, and c date. This is the variable type I have declared, this one. If query session, this is global variable success message codes updated successful if it is available, and it will be updated, and it redirect to the manage courses .php, manage courses .php, exit, and then it will stop the execute. This code ends something went wrong. If any error is occurred, then it will show the went wrong, and please try again this message. After that, this is HTML form. This is this is a link, external link, body part. This is the same to add courses. Over here I have already discussed about this one, edit courses, this one, edit courses, and which is CID, course ID, authenticate ID, integer value, get ID. If the ID is exist, then select from the table name table course, where CID course ID, and initial is initialize one, count MySQL row by row, and query. If count is equal to is greater than 0, while low, response MySQL fetch array the query, and zip this, and course access course name, this name, and course full name, and date will be updated. Otherwise, it's no record found. If data is not this course ID does not exist, it will show no data found. After that, course available, this is I have already discussed about this section, this part. Course available .php was this one is available, this php. I have already discussed about this. Updated and delete section, update, sorry, update section, click update. Now to one row, one, clicked update this for one. Now and discuss and delete, which this one, delete. Course manage courses, this one the same to same previous. I have already discussed about that. If is set is the delete get request, and the MySQL query connection delete from the table name, with the table name, the table courses, where CID course ID and course ID, course ID, course ID, CID is unique primary key. Query, if query mission success, then course delete successful, otherwise uh, then it is the which this one is successful, then it will redirect to the manage courses.php file, and execute or stop this, otherwise and is the mission success. Now click and delete. Then do you really want to delete? This one is the manage courses. This one is do you really want to delete? One click, yes, okay, it is go deleted successfully. This deleted successfully. You see encoder, so this is successfully deleted. Did the same to same file, and empty is empty, successful. This is table head name, table tbody, and query connection of the from table, MySQL fetch array, and initial serial name. This is serial initialize on, and go to the plus plus. It will go the infinity. This one when I want to add one more, then it will show this one, and 10, 25, this 100. It is in a jQuery data table. It will show the jQuery data table for this one, and dashboard. It will show dashboard.php. This one MySQL query connection, the select CID course ID, table the course ID, and the listed courses, MySQL row, number of row by row, and query disconnect, and HTML from the listed courses, this variable declared, and row count, total of row 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7. This one 7. When I click this one will show manage courses. That's it. I have uploaded all of code in my GitHub account. Just click wincoder, Susan, after click on and go to my repository and the student data management system. Just committed click and that will over here. Unfortunately, some of file were deleted, so you will show many file. Don't worry, I have uploaded all of code. Just changes this one browser component, and I have already uploaded previous tutorial. That will work and fine. You have not to download this one. Just click and download this one. Just click and download this one zip file and work. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget like, comment and subscribe to my channel more for more emerging content. If you face any error or have any question, feel free to drop a comment below and I will be happy to assist you.